Just 2 keys. Oh, I don't know if I want that recorded.
Can you hold this one? You can put, yeah.
Hold that a minute. Okay, everybody, we're getting ready to go to the rope tour. This should be fun. Thank you. And you don't want to leave. So I gotta get you. I gotta get you. No, over there. Woohoo!
Jumping, no swinging, no horse playing, okay? Please put your sling line in front of you or between your shoulders, okay? Please do not touch the overhead track and one at a time on each element all the time, okay?
And if you get stuck, is there somebody up there that can help?
Yeah, we have a person in charge up there.
Can I just do that one?
You wish.
Up this one forward.
Question. Have you gained weight on the cruise? According to that scale, I have.
Oh, I have, yeah.
You ready, dear? Say, I'm going.
Going, I hate you.
Anybody ever fallen off? Okay. Am I recording? I am recording.
Hi. Hi.
Yeehaw! Here we go. Joni's already at the top. Taking the rope for her. to the top. There's the view, the NCL sign. We're gonna go that way like her. Put one foot in front of the other, and soon you'll be walking across the floor. Where are you going next? Put one foot in front of the other, and soon you'll be walking across the floor. How are we doing?
Very good. That one color is good to go down.
Okay, you go.
You go. You go. You go.
Oh, I go? What are
How
you
do you
doing?
do that one? How do you get?
Oh, you don't. You gotta go that way.
Oh, that wrong.
I'm not doing that one. Can't do that one. Nope, not doing it. Huh?
The next one.
This one?
Next one.
That one.
I can't do that one.
You can do that one.
I don't understand. How does it go? Just go through?
I tell you go around.
You go around it.
I get that, but does that go around it?
No, you have to go around the poles.
Oh hell no. Doing that?
Look at the next here.
I ain't doing it. I can't do that one, and I'm not going around.
Okay. And which way can you go?
You go first.
Okay.
Oh hell no.
You go back. Okay, this was a little bit more than last time. Okay, she can't do that. No. Can she go back? Yeah, she's too short for that. Let's see, I gotta go this way.
You want to try this? The zip line?
That's okay, we'll do that.
Zip line. Do you want to try?
Yeah, I'll do that. If I just follow you.
Yeah.
Oh, where's this zip line? Ah.
Okay. The zip line. We will put this here.
Okay.
But look. You need to hold this here. Okay? Yeah. Easy. Walk fast, and when you are in the platform, keep going. Yes? keep walking.
Just walk,
Yes, that's all.
and I'll slide.
Yes, and when you don't have the platform, sit in your harness.
Okay. Okay, just walk off.
Yes, let it
Okay,
go.
let me get a good video down here.
Ah, good.
Video that way. I'm such a fool.
Yeah, little bit down. Like,
Right here.
there you go.
Just walk right off.
Yes.
Guaranteed not to stop, right?
Yeah, it's true.
Put one foot in front of the other, and soon you'll be flying across the floor. Ah, got it. Okay, looks like I gotta go this way. Woo! Look at this great view. Look at the view. Yeehaw! Hey, I got her to come up at least. Ah, such a view. Look at the view. Now where?
Right.
And then what?
Right.
Oh, then down? That was it? Okay.
The other side is too windy.
Uh-oh. Oh, okay. Got it. So you guys are keeping it on the safe side. Understand. Thanks, guys. And soon you'll be looking across the floor. Here's a nice view down. Look at how high I am. Take a look from way up here. Woo! That was the course. Okay, looks like I have to go this way. We've got a great view. There's the NCL sign. There's the two dudes. Top of the ship. Okay, so we did the rope course.
Finish already? Did you eat?
All done. Guess I'm done.
How was it?
It was okay. That was fun.
Yeah.
Somebody chickened out. It's okay.
It's okay. It's the first time.
No, this is her
You have that. We
third
still have-
time on
third
here.
time? Oh.
She can't say. She's just getting old. That was fun, though. That was fun.
All right.
Thank you. Well, Joni, how was it? How was it?
I couldn't do it. Chicken out. I cannot walk on a tightrope. I'm sorry. I ain't gonna do it.
Yeah, it was
and I'm not swinging around no poles.
You're not a pole dancer.
I'm a pole dancer. And swinging around a pole or going on a tightrope. I can't do either of those. You do the whole thing?
Yeah. So that was us doing the rope course. Joni only got a quarter of the way. I did the whole thing. or not the whole thing. So half of the course is shut down because of the winds. Let's see, the port side is open. It's the easy side, the starboard side. He said it's just too windy, unsafe to go that way. So we only got to do half of it. But that was okay. That was fun. We said we wanted to do it. We did it. This is Chris.
Joan.
For Chris and Joan's Travels. And that was the road course on the Getaway. Woohoo!
Could you have done it? Anybody else? Could you have done it? Or is it okay that I chickened out? Comment below. Tell me it was alright.
How far out will that let you go?
Let's go in.
I want to follow you guys.
Where are you going now? That way, that way, that way. That way.
Walk out, turn around, right? Huh? No problem. Okay. Out over the water. I am over the water. That was fun. Okay, so that was the Sky Trail. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Chris from Chris and Joan's Travel. Bye.